What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to beautiful Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. So this is our first going into fall. It's October now in Myrtle Beach, and I want to tell you that October, and it's beautiful. We're from New Jersey, where it gets pretty cold pretty quick once October starts to hit, but it is absolutely beautiful. It's a little cloudy today, but it's still really warm out. So, update on the StormTrooper build. So I've never been a huge fan of the little lip spoiler on the Mustangs, so that's what we're working on changing today. So the first thing on the convertibles is you see the antennas down here. So it used to be a lot taller. I bought this little stubby, they call it a stubby antenna. I bought this on Amazon, so that just screws on and off. So we put that on here, so that way hopefully if the spoiler sticks out too far and comes up, it doesn't hit the top of the antenna. It should hopefully clear it. So let's work on getting this thing off. And don't mind the car, it is pretty dirty, but all right, so first thing here is we just rip them out, these two little grommets, these rubber things. I took this one off first. This is the second one that has to come out, just twists off. Just pull on it and twist it, it'll come out. This guy, I think, just pops off. All right, I want to put the camera down. They make it look so easy on these little like DIY videos. That thing you gotta pull from the bottom, but really rip on it. You're not gonna break it. All right, that's all off. All right, so to get the nuts off for the spoiler, 10mm socket will do it. Oh yeah, you might be out of set. Yep, you are. Sitting on fire. Yep. Is it out?
No, not yet.
Really?
Yeah, hold on. Now it does. The other one should be close by too. Yeah, I'm probably on it. Yeah, I'm on it.
Can you get under it or no?
Not yet. I'm breaking off some of this. There we go. Whew. Get your hand up back. Should be it. There we go.
All right, so I do this in every YouTube video. I end up forgetting to film the final part of it. This one came out to help.
I was a big help.
She was. So the old spoiler, we ripped that off. I think we put that in the video. And then we had to remove all that stuff. My fingers are all blistered from getting off all that residue. And then this needed to get 2 holes drilled into it. So these holes kind of fit those 2 screws. So we put it on so it was kind of tight. You can kind of just mark where these screw holes went. And then I just took a drill bit and just put 2 holes in it. It was quick and easy. And then just screwed everything down, put it all back together. But it looks good. What do you think?
Quick, easy, and stressful because you had to drill into the car, which...
Yeah, that was not fun.
I couldn't breathe, so there's that.